with another banger. We're going to be talking about Solana USD, ticker symbol SOL USD. I'll go ahead and write that out. Now, Solana's having a crazy pull down here, okay? We'll also go over why Solana had that nice run up, and then we're going to go over how we should be looking at this right here. I'm going to give you guys a very important level. We don't want Solana to break, because if you see right here, or I guess I could take one of these off. If you see, Solana did have a range in here that it kind of built for itself, and it was here since like August 26th all the way to about September 8th. So about 2 weeks, Solana did not move. Now that it's kind of trending upwards, what should we be looking at? Is it time to buy? Should we be waiting? What to look for? I'll give you that. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you are new. Thank you for being here. Now, with this first initial run, that probably came off of the Solana based NFT volume and a potential merge of the Helium network, a popular Internet of Things crypto project, to Solana. According to data pulled from NASN, the number of Solana NFT transactions hit an all-time high on September 12th, which is yesterday, okay, with more than 1 million total transactions across marketplaces and mints. So that was kind of some hype of why they're doing that with the merge. So I think that's why Solana had that nice run up right here, and now it's having that heavier down movement. Now, also be mindful, we had CPI news yesterday, which could have presented some of that down movement, but it's actually coming the day after. So with that down movement right here, the most important thing we need to know is, where is support? Okay, where is support? We had O levels here: support, buying level, resistance, resistance. I'll show you guys how those levels acted real quick. Support tried to break a little below it. Buying pressure hit here, went up to the first exit, second exit, and then notice how all these resistance levels broke and they actually tested as support. Broke, tested as support, and then went higher, then had that secondary run here. But now that we're getting a heavy pull down, it's not too much of, this is like, I consider this is crashing. It went from like $38 and about 33. So this is a crash to me. Okay, so it is crashing. Let's move these levels up. I would say we have one support level here, but I'm gonna actually drag it down. I'm gonna put our support there. So we have a support at about $32, $60. That's our first new level. I'm gonna take one of these resistance levels off. Take this off. We're gonna drag the resistance level up to about $35 even. These are all new levels to know if Solana is going to continue to go down. Is Solana going to start having support? Are we going to start seeing that secondary run? Maybe this was the first one, and we'll see that second one to finally start breaking above that $40 mark, which I think it could go to. We just got to get that pressure back into it, right? So right now, the main thing is finding support. So what we can do is, I'll write it out here. I'll write 1 and then support. So once we find support, I'll turn this orange. Then we can go to the excuse me. Then we can go to the next step. We have not found support yet. Okay. Once we find support, we'll go to the next step, number 2. So now, right now, we need support. Support right now is about 32.60. We don't want that to break. Okay. Buying pressure is actually at $33.50. 30. So as you can tell, so buying pressure is already coming off of that now. Let's take these off also. So as you can tell, buying pressure is kind of coming off that. If you go to the 5-minute chart, you see how it kind of ran down here, hit that buying pressure level, and then it's starting to kind of retrace higher. If I zoom in, you see that right there. So buying pressure might start to come off of that. But the main thing is right now is support at 32.60. If it doesn't break this buying level at 30.50 and it actually starts to go higher, then that could be a sign of some strength. It might not even want to go down to the support level. It might go from the buying pressure level and start sending it up. That's when we start to look at the $35 as resistance. We want that to break. Once that breaks, then that could be a small sign that Solana might want to start going higher, right? So it can go like this. Then once that starts to break here, that could be the small sign that Solana wants to maybe retest that support and go higher, or maybe just shoot up. But we don't want it to break back down, because if it goes to that resistance level and actually breaks back down to here, then that buying level is going to be done for, and it might even break that support level too. So kind of watch out how Solana is going to move. Anything changes, I'll update you guys. Just let me know any other cryptos you guys want me to go over in the comment section down below. Smash the like button, subscribe. Make sure you join the team. First link in that description to get joined in the crypto room. Price is going up in about 12 days. And remember, First thing we're looking for right now is support. Thank you guys for watching the video. Always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything. This is for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I'll catch you guys in that next one.